Are you tired of streaks and smudges every time you clean your windows? In this video, we'll show you the 8 best affordable window cleaning robots you can buy on Amazon in 2026. From budget-friendly picks to options with impressive features, there's something here for every home and every budget. And remember, you'll find all the updated links down in the description. Let's get started. Starting off the list at number 8, we have the Mobito X3, a budget-friendly window cleaning robot that focuses on doing the basics well without adding a lot of complexity. If you're tired of spending weekends wiping fingerprints, dust, and water spots from large windows, this little machine can save you a surprising amount of time. Its strong suction system helps it stay securely attached to the glass, while the dual rotating pads work continuously to loosen and remove everyday dirt. One thing many users appreciate is how simple it is to operate. Just place it on the window, start the cleaning cycle, and let it handle the work while you focus on something else. The included remote control also makes it easy to guide the robot when needed. While it may not offer some of the advanced smart features found in more expensive models, it delivers solid cleaning performance for the price. That's exactly why the Mobito X3 earns the number 8 spot in this ranking. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. Coming in at number 7 is the Anminto B5, a window cleaning robot designed for people who want a little more convenience in their cleaning routine. What immediately stands out is its built-in spray system, which helps loosen dust, fingerprints, and dried spots as it moves across the glass. That means less manual prep work and better results in a single pass. It's especially useful for large windows, glass doors, and hard-to-reach areas where traditional cleaning can quickly become a chore. The intelligent navigation system helps the robot cover the surface methodically rather than moving randomly, giving you more consistent cleaning from edge to edge. Another nice touch is that you can simply start the process and let it work while you handle other tasks around the house. Like most robots in this price range, extremely stubborn buildup may require a second run, but for regular maintenance, it performs very well. Combining automated spraying, reliable cleaning, and user-friendly operation, the Anminto B5 comfortably earns its place at number 7 on our list. At number 6, we have the Binmit Auto Spray Window Cleaning Robot, a model that takes a slightly different approach by focusing on coverage and efficiency. Thanks to its square design, it can reach closer to corners than many traditional round pad robots, which means fewer missed spots and a more complete clean across the entire surface. The built-in dual-direction spray system is another feature that makes everyday maintenance easier, continuously moistening the glass as it works, so dust and light grime can be removed more effectively. This is particularly useful if you have large panoramic windows, sliding glass doors, or sunrooms that tend to collect fingerprints and outdoor residue. The intelligent route planning helps maximize coverage without unnecessary repetition, allowing the robot to finish jobs more efficiently. While heavily stained windows may still benefit from a second cleaning cycle, its overall performance is impressive considering the price category. For users looking for good corner coverage, automatic spraying, and dependable day-to-day cleaning, the Binmit secures the number 6 position in this ranking. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. Halfway through the ranking, at number 5, we have the Ecovacs Winbot W2S, a model aimed at users who want a more premium and hands-off experience. One of its biggest advantages is the combination of intelligent navigation and an advanced spray system that helps deliver a more uniform clean across large glass surfaces. Whether you're dealing with floor-to-ceiling windows, glass railings, or oversized sliding doors, this robot is designed to cover those areas efficiently while requiring very little attention from you. The companion app adds another level of convenience, allowing you to monitor cleaning progress and select different cleaning modes directly from your phone. What really makes the experience feel more refined is how methodically the robot plans its path, reducing missed spots and unnecessary overlap. It's certainly more expensive than some of the budget-focused options we've seen so far, but the extra convenience and smart features can make a noticeable difference for frequent use. For buyers looking to step into the premium category without going all the way to the top-tier models, the Ecovacs Winbot W2S earns a well-deserved number 5 spot. Taking the number 4 spot is the Hixap Window Cleaning Robot, a model that strikes a really nice balance between cleaning performance and everyday practicality. One of the standout features here is the adjustable suction system, which automatically adapts to different conditions to help maintain a secure grip while moving across the glass. For homeowners with large windows that collect dust, pollen, or rain residue throughout the year, that added stability can make a noticeable difference. The dual water spray function also helps keep the cleaning pads properly moistened, allowing the robot to lift dirt more effectively instead of simply pushing it around. Another thing worth mentioning is how complete the package feels, with multiple cleaning pads and useful accessories included right out of the box. It's designed for people who want a reliable cleaning routine without spending premium-level money. While it may not have the advanced app ecosystem found in some higher-end competitors, it delivers where it matters most: clean windows with minimal effort. That strong combination of value, convenience, and dependable results is what brings the HIXApp to number 4 in this ranking. In third place, we have the Hut C7, a window cleaning robot that feels like it was built for people who regularly deal with large glass surfaces and want the process to be as effortless as possible. One of its biggest strengths is its intelligent suction management, which automatically adjusts its grip depending on the surface conditions. In practical terms, that means smoother movement, better stability, and greater confidence when cleaning tall windows or hard-to-reach exterior glass. The integrated water tank also helps maintain consistent moisture throughout the cleaning cycle, allowing the microfiber rollers to remove dust, fingerprints, and everyday grime more effectively. What makes the experience particularly appealing is how little supervision it requires once it's in place. Instead of constantly repositioning a cleaning tool or climbing ladders, you can simply let the robot do the work while you move on with your day. Although it's not the cheapest option on the list, the combination of smart navigation, strong cleaning performance, and user-friendly operation makes it a compelling upgrade. For buyers seeking a more refined and reliable cleaning experience, the Hut C7 confidently earns the number 3 position in this ranking. Claiming the runner-up position at number 2 is the Tosima W5, a window cleaning robot that manages to combine powerful cleaning performance with features that genuinely make daily use easier. What helps it stand out is its intelligent navigation system paired with an automatic spray function, allowing it to tackle dust, smudges, and everyday dirt without requiring much intervention from the user. For busy households with lots of glass surfaces, that can translate into significant time savings over the course of a year. The strong suction system keeps the robot firmly attached while it moves methodically across the window, and the included remote control gives you extra flexibility whenever you want more direct control. Another advantage is its balance between performance and accessibility. It delivers many of the features people expect from premium models while remaining more attainable than some flagship alternatives. The cleaning results are consistently impressive on regular household windows, glass doors, and even larger panels. While there are a few models with slightly more advanced ecosystems and smart integrations, the overall package is difficult to ignore. With its excellent mix of convenience, cleaning quality, and value for money, the Tosima W5 earns a very strong number 2 spot in this year's ranking. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, we have the Ecovacs WinBot W2 Pro, a window cleaning robot that delivers the most complete package in this ranking. This is the kind of model that feels designed for people who want professional-looking results while putting in almost no effort themselves. From the moment it starts cleaning, you can tell it's operating on a different level. Its advanced navigation system carefully maps the surface, helping ensure thorough coverage while minimizing missed areas and unnecessary passes. The upgraded spray technology distributes moisture more evenly across the glass, which translates into cleaner windows and fewer streaks when the job is done. Another major advantage is the multi-function station, which makes setup, storage, and operation significantly more convenient, especially for larger homes with multiple windows to maintain. It's also a fantastic option for floor-to-ceiling glass panels, high exterior windows, and other challenging surfaces that are difficult or even risky to clean manually. Of course, it comes at a higher price than many of the other options we've covered, but the combination of intelligent features, cleaning consistency, ease of use, and overall refinement helps justify the investment. If you're looking for the most capable, most polished, and most hassle-free window cleaning robot in this lineup, the Ecovacs WinBot W2 Pro is the one we'd recommend most confidently, which is why it takes the number 1 position on our list.